Okay, we worked on our cheeks. We got the other side down good, what we wanted. So we're going to stop with that right there. I've moved my eyelids down so I can work my way up. You don't want to go up too high because then you can't adjust them down. So I want to start low and work my way up to where I want them to be. So we're going to take this part out in here and then go from there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Got that. So we're going to take more out in here because we need this to be much deeper. So we got a better bridge to our nose. So like I say, we can move this up if we need to, but we'll leave it at this point for now until we get this more carved out in here. Thanks for watching.